Excellency Mohammed Kamran Tesori, Dr. Nu'man and Dr. Farhan Mufti, Jamiat Nouriya, Chancellor and Vice Chancellor, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and very good evening. अभी हम डिस्कस किया गवर्नर का सर गवर्नर बोलते हैं उर्दू से बात कर और अभी हम सोचते हैं उर्दू से इंग्लिश से और अरबिक से बात करेगा देखिए इंशाल्लाह फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोग के लिए मुझे इनवाइट किया आज बड़ा फ़ख्र है जामिया बिन नूरिया वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंड इस्लामिक जामिया in the Pakistan and the region Islamic region as well and बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सारा लोग के लिए para student and I just either I have just asked about the Omani student and they said there is one Omani اسمك الكريم Suleiman Al-Abadi so I congratulate the university and all the students for convocation tonight and I wish them all the best as my colleagues said before I come to the stage they said that you are as an ambassador for your country you learn a lot of course here from Pakistan. Pakistan is one of the best country in the region, in the world as well. And a lot of students. Not only this year, I have been here before 2 years, and mashallah, that time also was different from different countries as well as now. And there's nothing to add, but I wish them all the best. And for the future, you have to be careful. You studied as much as this university gave you, and I wish you all the best. And inshallah, I will see you in good position in the future. And inshallah, especially for Oman, you have to be a Safir and you have to also exchange the ma'rifah with your colleagues in Oman and other country as well. At the end, I would like to thank you all and thank you again, Dr. Mufti Sahab and Oman, Pakistan, Dosti Zindabad. Thank you very much. Shukran.